channel Make Madness. In this video, I'll be covering the 5 must-try biryani places in Bangalore. I'm sure there is more places here, but I won't be able to go all places. Please put in the comments below here and let me know which are the good places to have biryani. I will definitely cover in my next video. Before starting our biryani marathon, I have a request. Please subscribe the channel and also share with all your friends. The first place we are going is a Kritunga restaurant. So it has a many outlets. So today we are in Marathalli outlet.
Kritunga restaurant is well known for Andhra style biryani and also serves the dishes prepared in bamboo chambers. This place is where we start our biryani hunt, and we will cover 5 places in this video which serves mouth-watering biryani.
Chalo, let's try and begin our biryani feast.
They have a lot of delicious starters and a variety of biryani, from keema biryani to mutton, fish prawns, chicken biryani and veg biryani as well. Now we have pot biryani order ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, which is known as handi biryani, which is most ordered biryani here. We do wanted to try the chicken masala made by squeezing it in the bamboo chamber, and it is a speciality of Kritunga.
So this is handi biryani. Ivagtane nodidvi pot alli kottidare, and also this is bamboo chicken. Smells really nice. So let me try. It's so delicious. It's yum. Let me try this. So the chicken is so juicy. It's really nice. When we're eating, in the taste, right, we can feel a lot of masala, and then the bamboo smell kuda bartade. It is so good. They also provided this chutney. Usually nobody gives this kind of chutney with biryani. It's very spicy, but it's nice. It's the best biryani.
We will next head to the famous Donne Biryani. This place is open every day except on Mondays. This is one of my favorite biryani place. If you are in a Bangalore, don't miss out on trying the Donne Biryani. They serve the biryani in donne, which is a dry banana leaf made up in a container form.
So we have come to another place, that's Donne Biryani. It's pretty famous in Karnataka. It's an authentic Karnataka biryani is what I can say. So chalo, let's try it, and then I'll talk more about biryani.
You can see the color of the biryani. It's green color, so mostly pudina adu smell tumba chennagi barutte.
This rice is too good. You can see this rice. This is not the basmati rice, it's the jeera sambar rice. This rice is only so flavorful. I just can't stop eating this.
The biryani rice is same, to which they add a different flavor of chicken, like chicken dry, kebab, and also the veg, egg and mutton biryani here. You don't believe if I tell the time is 3:30 am. We are at a very unique biryani place which serves the biryani 3 days a week. That is on Tuesday, Friday and Sunday in the morning time. I don't say it's morning, it's early morning.
Sunday morning around 4 o'clock ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಹೊಸಕೋಟೆ ಹತ್ರ. ನಾವು ಟಿ ಆರ್ ಪುರಮಿಂದ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ 20 minutes, then you'll get this place. It's so crazy. So people are waiting from 3:30 a.m. to have biryani, and the speciality is only mutton biryani is what you're gonna get it here. And you can see the crowd. It's crazy.
Hard to believe, right? Look at this crowd, which starts coming at 3 in the morning, forming a queue to get their plate of biryani. Indeed, they are true biryani lovers. There are 2 such places in Hoskote, Bangalore, which serves early morning biryani. One is Anand and other is Mani. We are right now at Anand Dum Biryani. Look at the way it is getting prepared, and look at this huge vessels. This plate serves only mutton biryani using charcoal to add some traditional flavour.
ಸೊ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 1 hour ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವರ್ತ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 hour. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೋ ಗುಡ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ.
Guys, the next destination we are going is Meghana Foods. There are many outlets in Bangalore, and right now we are at the MG Road outlet.
Today we are at Meghana Foods. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮೇಘ್ನಾ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಸಖತ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲು. ನನಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೈ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೇಘ್ನಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈವನ್ ಚಿಕನ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕರೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
So this is the special biryani. Let me taste this. It's very hot. It's really delicious. This is veg biryani. Just thought of trying veg also. Veg is okay. Chicken is so yum.
Today I am at Imperio restaurant. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಬಾರ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಅವ್ರ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೈ ದಿಸ್. ಚಲೋ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ. See, as you can see, they have a lot of different biryani. Hyderabadi chicken biryani, Malabar, and then also chicken tikka. And they have different here, prawns, kebab biryani, grilled chicken. They also have this chicken leaf biryani, mutton leaf. Okay, so I'm going to order now. I think let's order chicken leaf biryani and then also Malabar chicken biryani. So let me try. Oh, it's so good. So illi the special Malabar biryani. So I'm trying this. This aroma itself so good. On every taste we get that Malabar rice in the. It's a different flavor altogether. We get that flavor in every bite. Ishton biryani tinmele, we definitely need this lime soda. This is so refreshing. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and also please share this video to all your biryani lovers.